What's up today, guys? Today, taking a look at the headlights on my 2003 Volkswagen Jetta. I did the 3M headlight renew, I think is what it is. It's the 3M. It's still available on Amazon for 15 bucks roughly. Now, I did my headlight restoring kit in May of 2023, so it is mid-February. It's a couple days before Valentine's Day. Don't forget to get something for your significant other or your parents, or anybody for Valentine's Day. A lot of lonely people out there. Anyways, so I did it again in May 2023. So we're coming up on 3 years, because it is 2026, mid-February of 2026. Now, I've at least had one person ask how long has it lasted, and well, the last video I did on it was in November of 2024. So I thought, well, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Since I hadn't done a video in a while, we'll take a look, and hopefully I can pull out some archival footage and put the original look, how they originally looked, somewhere around here in the video. Just kind of a side-by-side comparison. So let's take a look. This is my second go around to making this video, and I got some birds flying over. It was washed when I did it, and now it's not so much. There's a little bit of hazing in here. It's starting to come back. I can't remember if it just didn't take all the haze out. The headlights are still pretty bright. I don't really have any issues. I've hit 2 deer in the car so far. It's taken out the original grill and then the replacement grill. So the headlights have held up from that. This is the passenger side. Kind of give you a look. It's got some like I said, it's got some hazing. It's got some stains on it. So it's holding up. Not as good as it was day one, but it's still holding up. Driver's side looks way better. I think it looked better in the beginning. Obviously, it still has the weird fracture lines in there that it originally had. I have some bug stains, but I don't know if they're stains or etches on the lens. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. I can kind of see it right in here. They just won't come out. There's some more down here, whether it was the bug guts or if, you know, did a chemical get splashed up on here? Did gasoline possibly somehow, acetone, MEK, something that could have just disrupted the kind of change the lens a little bit, because chemicals like that do change the plastic. Anyways, so that kind of gives you a look. Hopefully I got a comparison somewhere around here, I guess, and hopefully that helps you guys out. It's probably the last video I do on it, but we'll see how I feel later on. Thanks for watching.